Hey y'all, Itsjustnene here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how I created this stitched up face for Halloween. So if you like what you see, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. Also click the bell so you're notified every time I drop a video. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the fam, babes. Now stick around. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up this eyeliner pencil. It's like in white or whatever, or cream, doesn't matter. I'm just using it to draft where I'm going to place the wax. So that's what I'm doing. And now I'm going in with some spirit glue or spirit gum, I think, spirit glue. And I'm just placing that right directly on the liner where I traced. And now I'm taking the wax. Also, this wax is from Bin 9. You can get it from the website, or you can get it off of Amazon or your local Halloween store. And what I'm doing is I'm just pressing down the wax like on the sides so that the wax could like appear seamless when I apply foundation. So you don't want it to look all gumpy on the sides. You kind of want to like press it down into your skin. And now I'm just doing my cheeks. So for your cheeks, it's going to be a lot harder. Also, you want to make sure the spirit glue gets tacky before you apply the wax. I was pretty impatient and I just kind of like put the wax on there. So I was pretty like struggling and stuff. So it did take me a while. So you might want to wait until it get tacky to place the wax. But you also need Vaseline so that you're able to press down the wax into your skin, because it is tacky and you don't want the wax to come off if you're trying to apply it. Take your time and just press it down as much as you can. Now I'm going in with a plastic butter knife just to smooth out the edges and to remove like extra wax, because I felt like it was too much.
2 hours later.
Now this is the finished result of me laying the wax down. Now I'm gonna take that knife and I'm gonna create like that deep cut. You guys, I used a fork, I used everything because I wanted that cut to look real deep and realistic. Also, I don't really like feel it on my face. It might look like, dang, you know, she's scraping her skin or she like going so hard and stuff, but really I don't feel nothing, you guys. So, and then I went in with a bobby pin because I felt like the knife and the fork wasn't like precise enough. So I went in with the bobby pin. Make sure in between like doing the cuts, you clean off the bobby pin because there's wax on there and it will tug on the wax that's already on your face and peel it off. I'm going back in with the spirit glue and I'm applying it to the edges of the wax so that the wax could stay when I start to do my eyeshadow. So you want to lay that down. You can use latex. That's what I saw Carolina Maria use in her video, and this is where I got this idea from. But yeah, but I use spirit glue and I'm just gonna let it dry down, and once it dried down I will apply translucent powder to set it and to keep it in place. Now I'm doing the eyeshadow. I went in with P. Louise base in 0, and now I'm just going in my Juvias palette and I'm just taking Morocco and the Nubian palette. And I also went in, what is that, Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'll have that listed down below. I kind of mixed it. I mixed both of those orange shades to create this like reddish, like deep orange. And then I went in with this smoky like green. It's like a charcoal green. It's really green, but it looks black. But I went in with that and I kind of deeped in the crease. And now I'm just going back and forth with the orange shade in Morocco. Now I'm going in with Egypt as my shimmer. And I'm just placing that right on top of the green. And I'm just going back and forth, you guys, back and forth, blending out the shades, making sure everything is there. Now I'm going in with White Diamonds by J. LaRue. And I'm taking this fluffy brush to place that right on top of Egypt. Now I'm going in with Nars foundation in New Caledonia. And I'm taking my Real Technique cheek brush. And I didn't go in with a bigger brush because I simply wanted to, I wanted to take my time when it came to, applying the foundation. So you see me right now, I'm, using my hands to apply the foundation. I did go in with a beauty blender, but I just didn't want to use a beauty blender. I didn't like what it was doing. So I went in with my hands and I used the brush, and I'm not applying the foundation directly on top of the wax. I'm kind of more so putting it on the side because I want to keep that the lighter shade of the wax there, so that when you get a cut, it's your skin complexion it's really not your skin complexion anymore. It gets lighter and then you see the wounds. So that's what I'm pretty much doing right now. Also, you guys, it was peeling off on the side because I didn't set the wax. You remember, I kind of just went over the wax with the foundation actually, because I was like, this is a beat and a cut, so yeah, I can't set right now. So I set my face with Laura Mercier, and then you see me, I'm going right back to define the cuts because I felt like they disappeared. And your cuts don't have to be perfect, it don't matter. I just made sure the forehead was perfect and it was a nice cut. So I felt like I lost the lightness in the cut, so I went back in with some concealer. And now I'm just taking literally a burgundy and red eyeshadow to make the bruises look like they're tensed up, or So I basically went in with that and I applied that near the cuts. And now I'm going in with this color Bruise Wheel from Ben 9. I took the red and I went in and I kind of shaded in the cuts so it could look real. It's you need that layer to make it look realistic. You can't just go in with the blood and just put it in there. You got to put something on there the red paint or whatever to make that color, vibrant when you apply the blood. So now I'm applying the blood from the Ben 9 makeup collection. Makeup kit. And I'm using this thin brush to get inside the cut so I can apply the blood on there. And that's pretty much what I'm doing. And so you guys, I didn't have a stippling brush, so I said stippling brush. Oh my gosh. A stippling sponge. I didn't have that. I lost mine, so I had to create one. So I just took a sponge and I literally cut it up. I was just picking at it, and I even took my forget it. I just basically, I was picking at it, making it look choppy, and then I dipped the sponge into the fake blood, and I just applied it on top of the scars so it can have that splatter look, there's blood everywhere. And then I went in with a little bit of highlight because I just felt like I wanted to highlight some parts of my face. And now I'm going in with a brown lip pencil, and I'm just lining up my lip for this dark lip. And this is where is it? This is Wet n Wild. No, it's not. This is liquid cat soup from Mega Last. And I also went in with e.l.f. liquid lipstick in burgundy, and I applied down my lip. And now I'm going in with some thread that I just like literally cut up. I cut them up into like little pieces, and I use my eyelash glue for the ends to place on my forehead for the stitching part. And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.